Can you mount a bayonet to your M1 Garand while it has a Schuster plug installed? The answer is yes, asterisk, as long as you get the right one. Let's talk about it. This particular M1 Garand does have a Schuster plug installed. That is a replacement gas plug, and it is adjustable so that you can run different spec loads through this rifle without it beating itself to death and without overgassing the system. So they're great, and I think that they are a fantastic addition to an M1 Garand. However, when I was originally looking at them, I was unsure of whether or not I would still be able to mount a bayonet. And the answer is yes, as long as the bayonet fits to the rifle over the barrel and has a barrel ring here. The Schuster plug basically sits flush with the original gas plug. So as long as you don't get the M5 pattern bayonet that mounts into the gas plug, as long as you get an M1 pattern or a 1905 pattern or even a Krag Jorgensen pattern bayonet, they will mount to your M1 Garand. Now, I personally would not advise shooting the rifle with the bayonet attached because you are going to get gas vented out the front here, which, yes, you're going to get gas vented out the muzzle, but that's more in parallel of the blade rather than directly into the guard here. And yeah, there is a slot, but you're still venting gas directly into something versus, in parallel to the blade with some separation. So that being said, yes, you can mount this. It looks fantastic, displayed, and this is how I keep mine because it's just cool and every rifle needs a bayonet. But as long as you have the right pattern of bayonet, it should fit just fine, even with the Schuster plug installed on your M1 Garand rifle. So hopefully that answers somebody's question. This was something that I was curious about before I got this rifle, and after I got it, I did some playing around with it, and now we know. So knowledge is power. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next one.